at you live from the wilderness of Upper Peninsula, Michigan. It is a beauty day, I tell you, as they say in the wild north of Netley. Let me tell you, it's beautiful out here. Well, this morning it was 3 degrees. Right now it's probably about 20. It's sunshine and no wind, and I've got special guests, and that is what makes the day, let me tell you. Let me just show you who I'm talking about. We've got Mick, the man from Minnesota, and Mrs. Mick of the Adventures. Well, he's not practicing retirement anymore. He's actually retired.
Right on, man.
And I got Mrs. Ranger, and then, of course, the star of the show, little Gracie girl over there with us. And we're going to hike a series of 5 waterfalls today. We'll get some footage of the hike itself, the falls, of course, and the beauty out here. But we've got our trekking poles getting all staged up and ready to roll. Check out Mick's Retirement Adventures YouTube. He'll be running one as well, taking some footage, different angles, different views, and certainly more entertaining than mine. So make sure you check that out. We're going to work our way into the first one, Conglomerate Falls. Talk to you along the way. Okay, Mick and Mrs. Ranger and Mrs. Mick have all arrived. The Conglomerate Falls. Check this out. Talk about a beautiful day and beautiful falls. Wow. I'm telling you what. Even little Gracie girl made it. Wow. Potawatomi Falls. First, you have to descend this about a quarter-mile stairway coming from way up on top to reach Rainbow Falls. It's worth every step. Every step, I tell you.